How to use Generative Fill and Generative Expand in Photoshop. To initiate Generative Expand, begin by choosing the Crop tool. Enlarge the selection area as needed, then press Enter to confirm. Next, utilize the rectangular marquee tool to choose the newly created empty space. Now click on the Generate button. For generative filling, first select the desired area for filling. Then, find and click on the Generative Fill button. A text box will appear. Input your specific requirements and click the Generate button to apply the fill accordingly. You can remove any object by using this generative option. Or you can add any object by the help of this Generative Fill option. After generating, you can also change the generated image by clicking the arrows given below.